Alright guys, good evening. I'm going to be showing us how to use the MetaTrader 5 app, which I informed all of us to download some days back. So the MetaTrader 5 app is like an app, a chatting platform that you are going to connect your broker to and trade on by the time you have your broker. So the moment you connect your broker, you register with the broker, you're going to connect your broker account, your login and your username to your MetaTrader. So when you do that, that is the only time you can trade with the MT5. But in this instance, I'm going to be using the example of creating a demo account. A demo account is an account you can just trade with, just for us to be able to understand how to use the MetaTrader 5. It's not a real money, it's just a broker account. And also I'll be using this to explain to us what margin is and what leverage is. So please flow with me. So going further, if you open your MetaTrader app, this is the interface you're going to see. In this interface, you have different codes. When you say codes, you're talking of currency pairs. Currency pairs are called codes also. So here you have Euro USD, GBP USD, BTC USD, XE USD, GP, JPY, GP, NZD. So this is it. First of all, I'm going to be creating the demo account. So if you look at the down part of this interface, you can see codes, you can see charts, you can see trade, you can see history, and you can see settings. So we're going to click on settings. So this account was just opened today. As you can see, you have my name right up there, and you have the broker that I registered with, which is Octa Markets Incorporated. So you click on that aspect. For you, there would not be anything there because it's a new account. So you click on plus. When you click on plus, now this is me teaching you how to create a demo account that you can practice with as time goes on. So you click on plus, you search for meta code. Now please take note of that. Meta code. It will open Meta Code Limited. Now this is the MetaTrader company itself, so they can give you a demo account to trade with. So you click on Meta Code Limited. So you click on demo account. So for this information, for this example, I'm going to be using a fee trader name, the last name as demo, the date of birth, I'll leave it like that, the mobile detail 070 as that, and the email as that. Okay, I think the phone number you have to put a plus, the Nigerian code. So the server is MetaCode demo. Now if you look at the part of leverage, don't forget we said leverage is what multiplies whatever amount of money you're putting in. So let's say our deposit on this account is $10,000. $10,000. Now if I'm using a leverage of, let me click on the leverage. If I'm using a leverage of 1:100, it means that my $10,000 that I'm putting in is going to be reflecting as 10,000 times 100 in the market. So 10,000 times 100 is going to give us 1 million. That means that I put in 10,000, but my trading power is $1 million. Do you understand that? Now if I select 1:200, it means my trading power is $2 million because I'm depositing 10,000 in the market. If I'm depositing 1,000 and I'm using a 1:100 leverage, it means that my buying power or trading power in the market will be 1,000 times 100, which is going to give us 100,000 trading power in the market. So for this example, I'm going to be using a leverage of 1:100. So I click on accept and I register, and I click on start. So the moment you click on start, it's going to give you the interface, as you can see right here. So let's go to the settings again. As you can see, the settings has changed to fee trader demo and everything, as you can see right here. So on this place, you have the news. This one shows the news that is going to be released, but I already told us I use the Forex Factory as my own news platform where I check news. So going further, okay, let's go to the quote back. So this is the quote. This is where you find all the currency pairs. Now if you click on this pen symbol right up here, it's going to show you all the currency pair you have on your platform currently. But if you are looking for a currency pair that you cannot see, so you search. So let me search for my favorite, which is Euro USD. I search for it and I click on cancel and I go back. As you can see, Euro USD is already on the place. So here, when you click on whatever pair, it's going to bring all of these examples for you. You have either you want to trade, or you want to check the chart, or you want to check details of Euro USD today. You can see this is all the details of Euro USD today, and whatever have you, the depth of the market and all of those. But two things that should be more important to you should be trade and chart. So let's say I want to click on chart. Charting means I want to see the candlesticks. What are they doing? What have they done? How far have they gone? What is going on currently in the market? So as you can see, the market on a daily, on a daily time frame. Now talking about time frames, we're going to be going into time frame afterwards. So this is just all about the MetaTrader. So if you want to trade, when you open a particular currency pair, you're going to see some symbols at the top corner of this chart. So if you want to trade, you can just click on either of these two red and blue symbol. If you click on the first one, it means that you want to enter and move your market by yourself. We have different forms of trading. I believe before this video I would have explained all of those for us. We have the buy limit, we have the sell limit, we have the sell stop limit, we have the market orders. Do we understand that? I'm sure I would have explained that before I send this video across. So going for that, if you also want to put in your lot, that means you don't just want to trade, you want to put in your lot. This is where you put in your lot. Now don't forget, I mentioned yesterday that your lot with your pips determine how much you make in the market. So if I'm using just one, that means that I am buying or selling Euro USD at one standard lot. So for each pip that Euro USD move either up or down, I am going to be making or losing $10 depending on whatever trade I'm taking. Now let me take that again. If I put just one, that means that I'm trading this pair with one standard lot. So whatever movement Euro USD make, for each pips, I am going to be losing or making $10. But if I put 0.1, this is a mini lot. It means that each pip movement of Euro USD is just going to be $1. But if I put 0.01, it means each movement of Euro USD is just going to be 1 cent, which is $0.1. I believe we understand what I just explained. Please, if you don't understand, listen to this video over and over again for deeper understanding. So this is that about that. Then whatever you want to do, you click buy or sell. So let's take, for example, I'm selling this market. All I have to do is just click on either sell. Is that I click on either sell or buy, whichever one. Please don't do what I just did. It is wrong. Don't buy and sell at the same time. Always do proper analysis. This is just for example purpose. Now look at this very well. You can see whatever happens in the market is that I lose or I win. This is a demo account. So currently, if you open the trade option, you can see these are the positions that I have on this trade. It will show you the positions that you have on your margin. It will show you everything you have right here. Do you understand that these are just explanations? Your balance is $10,000. Your equity is the current balance minus or plus the trades you are on. If your trades are positive, it will add it up to your balance. If your trades are negative, if to subtract it from your balance. Your free margin currently is 9988. That is after they've removed all the buying power that is behind these positions. You still have more buying power of 9,988. Those are the free margins you have available. So the current margin that you are using presently for this trade is just 11.74. Now as your trade goes up or down, your margin level increases or decreases. This is just a basic explanation of this, as simple as you can understand it. And I hope I've been able to make sense. If you go to history will show you all the transactions that has gone on your account. So that is that about that. I believe this video is explanatory enough for us to be able to understand. Now let me just recap again. Whatever pair you want to trade on, you click on the pair, you click on chart, and you go ahead and input your lot order. Now when you input your lot order, let's say I'm using a 1 standard lot for this trade and I'm buying, you input your lot order. Now another thing I want you to take note of is the fact that you need to always set your stop loss and your take profit on the market. Stop loss and take profit, we'll be discussing more about that tomorrow when we're talking about risk management and trading psychology. So this is just how to use the MetaTrader 5. I hope I've been able to pass the information across. Thank you very much, guys.